Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to prep and paint a couple of bumpers. I weren't going to film this today, but we're testing out a new camera. Normally I use my phone and a little rig like this, but I bought myself a new GoPro 9 which looks like this. Little setup there with some little fluffy things on the microphone. Supposed to, well, I watched about 1 million reviews. They tested all sorts of microphones and stuff, and a guy on a mountain top in the wind literally had them on the GoPro exactly like that, and it came out on top versus all the other stuff that I use. So we're going to give that a whirl. There's my old GoPro 8, which is what I normally use for time-lapse. And this is my new GoPro 9, which I'm going to give a go and see what it's like. So yeah, I weren't going to do a video today, but we've got a couple of focus bumpers that need doing. You'll have to tell me what the audio sounds like compared to normal, and what the video quality looks like compared to normal. I've done loads of reading and watching, trying to choose the correct video settings. I'm definitely no pro when it comes to videography, as they call it, but I thought I'd give it a go and see what this is like, see if it improves your quality of viewing, or if it doesn't. If it sounds awful, or it looks awful, let me know. Leave us a comment, tell me what you think. I've got to get used to it, it's very weird. This is obviously very different to hold and use compared to this. So today's video, I'm going to film prepping these, getting these ready for a bit of paint, and painting them hopefully. So yeah, let me know what you think, and we'll see how we get on. I'll see you in a bit. There we go. There's all the scrapes and crappy bits all ironed out. This is only a trade job going on an old trade motor, so don't have to be nothing spectacular, but it'll still be plenty good enough. So I ironed out some of the scrapes and the gouges, sorted all that out, and then keyed it all up with a 180. Some of the heavier scrapes underneath, that to do with a little bit of 80 grit first of all, and on plastic bumpers, if you burn right through, then you need to use an adhesion promoter or plastic primer. So what we're doing, well, on both of them to be fair, we'll end up plastic priming them and then 2K priming them. So yeah, move on to that one, get that sorted, and I'll see you in a bit. Forgot to say, been watching Fiesta Turbo on Copart. Let's check the auctions on today. We'll have a little look. Let me refresh the page. Yeah, we won't be buying this one. No engine, Cat C. 4450 that's on. Jesus. So 4450. Let me work the fees out on that. 4450. Calculate fees. So it comes out £5,059 without delivery, and it's got no engine. That's in the boot, and it could turn up and be a rock box, so you have no clue what it's like. You can't view them anymore because of COVID. So it's been on my watch list since it was cheap. Now that's definitely a no-go. Right, let's crack on. Let's get these all sorted out. See you in a bit. There we go. They're all scuffed up, all the bits I want to scuff up. I'm not priming in the middle, we're going to take that off, there's no need. And the same in fog light recess. Yeah, all the scores and gouges sanded out. For the heavier hardcore bits, don't have 80 grit, then 180. Scuffed up all the rest of the bumper in 180 and got any edges with some soft pad 320s. So yeah, I'm going to get these cleaned up, and then we'll get some adhesion promoter on there, or plastic primer, and then we'll get them primed up with some 2K primer. See you in a bit. Right, let's see what the Fiesta Turbo makes. 4,550, no engine, don't know if it's rotten, Cat C, previous damage. 36,000 miles apparently. Bonus time. I didn't think anyone else would bid, because that is well over £5 in fees, and I'm not bidding 4,600 for that. New bidder. And there we go, someone's bid 4.6. That's a lot of money. Bonus time. 4,650 is the next bid. I don't think anyone's going to bid. Yeah, they have. Look, 4.7. It's going. 4.8. Oh, she's expensive. Low mileage. Bonus time. There'll be plenty of bonus time on that. That 4.9. We'll work out the fees afterwards, what it sold for. I think that's it. Your sale. Bonus time. More bonus time. Nice, going again, £5 grand. Might as well get the popcorn out. Pure sale. Low mileage. Pure sale. Bonus time. How many bonus times do they need? Come on already. Sold. Oh, £5 grand. Right. Let's go see what this would have cost. Here's a car that I've got on my watch list, and now we can use their bidding calculator over here, and we can type in £5 grand. £5,717 for a Fiesta Turbo with no engine. You can't see or look at and find out whether it's rotten or not. Cat C as well, That's a lot of money. Well, I'm glad I didn't want that badly. That's a lot of money. But I did win another 2 cars on a different auction site. So I can go and get them tomorrow and sort them out. A little Fiesta and a Fiat 500 Abarth. Some other bits for me to plod along with. So yeah, right, let's get tidied up. Let's get all this sorted out and get some primer on them, shall we? See you in a bit.
Aside from my soul, there goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. There goes a sight from my soul. I think a fall angel just walked by. 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 There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my there goes a sight.
There we go. That's them all primed up and ready. I've just been baking the crap out of them. They're pretty much ready to go now, to be honest, to block them down. But it's the other half's birthday today, and I've got to be a good boy and get home on time. So I'm not going to stay and finish these today. I'll sort them out tomorrow once I've picked up a couple of cars. So I'll probably film the painting process, might do another little video for you. You'll have to let me know. But yeah, as I was saying, leave us a comment, tell us what you think of the video quality and of the sound, and yeah, I'll go from there. We'll see what it's like. As always, massive thanks for watching. We'll see you very soon on the next one. Stay safe and be lucky.